Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how we can integrate ChatGPT with any of the text editors or local IDEs that we are using for our local development environment. It's a very good feature to be integrated with because to use ChatGPT alongside your working environment, you have to toggle up and muffle up the things concurrently. Like if in case you have an query, you go to ChatGPT portal and get the answer, copy that answer and paste it into your relevant ID. It's a very hectic thing to do. Rather than keeping it more isolated and keeping it more consolidated, we have to do this by using a sort of a plugin and some sort of an extension that we can use with our environment, so it would be easy for us to get things onboarded on one single platform. So today we are going to check it how to integrate it with our IntelliJ environment, which is used for Java development, or we can simply use it in case you want to do with any other JetBrains platform. You can do it in a similar way that I'm doing in here, because the JetBrains IDs are very similar to each other. There are only packages difference and the hierarchy of the code is different only. And similarly, you can use we will tell you how to integrate it with VSCode as well, which is used for multiple platforms like Python, Java, JavaScript, React, Angular, and all the other stuff. So let's start with IntelliJ. First of all, for doing the integration, we must log in into our OpenAI account and go to the personal and select view API keys, so that we will come to this page after getting logged in and selecting this option. Here, these are the keys that are being used for authentication purpose of my account. So wherever I will authenticate, use these keys to authenticate, that it means that I'm using my account for all the actions that I've been using and doing with by using this key through ChatGPT. So let's say we want to integrate IntelliJ first. So we will go to settings and go to plugins and type in here ChatGPT, as there it is, ChatGPT with this green icon. We can select install. It will take its minimal time to install it. So it's got installed, and now we can press the OK button. So you can see the toolbar will get appeared, and all those versions that have been provided by ChatGPT will be available here. We will be focusing on ChatGPT in here. We can go through both of the next options as well. Just type in your query in the comment section, so that in case you require any sort of support in that as well, so we can create a video for that. Currently, for the scope of this video, we are focusing on just the integration part. So now, in case that's the similar sort of thing that is appeared, as now we have the complete platform of ChatGPT being integrated in here. Now we can ask queries in here, directly get the output from here and paste it in our environment, so that we don't have to go to any browser or don't have to re-log in ChatGPT, because it will be used in here as a single platform. Let's say if we type what is Java, I don't think so that the answer will be provided by ChatGPT right now. Oh, it is provided because I have already configured my API keys with ChatGPT. It is currently coming out just because I have already installed previously this ID and this plugin before and configured it with my ID, so that's why it's showing up. I will show you what I have configured for it. Just go to settings and you can just type in OpenAI, and that it is ChatGPT. That's the access token that I have used. Let's say in case you don't want to, I just want to clear out this token. I will say, okay, I will go to the initial state that occurs when we install ChatGPT, so that you can get the idea what I'm talking about. Oh. And we can go to OpenAI as well. Move this key and press OK. Now we will type what is Java. It will ask, please configure the access token first. So what we need to do is simply go to settings. We'll go to OpenAI and ChatGPT, and now we need an access token. Let's say if we click on this access token, it's saying that just to get the access token, log into this URL. We are already logged in there, and click on this link so that they will provide us with the access token themselves. I typed in this and it has been provided. You can use the access token from here to still here. It's the key of access token. Simply use it, copy it, and we will paste it, save this access token, and we are good to go. Now we will type what is Java, and it will respond immediately to us. Now you can see that it is responding. So that's how we can integrate ChatGPT with here, or we can just copy this code and paste it in here, and let's say what it gives. Simply this, it's providing the complete description of the code that has been used. It's a test project that I have used. Now we will check how to integrate it with React as well. We can simply go to extensions. We can type code GPT. That's the name of the extension that has been used in here. We will use this one. Please take a note of it, because we are focusing on GPT-3 right now. We can just click on install. It will be installed, and an icon will appear like this. Now we'll ask what is React JS, and it will respond immediately to us. That's how it goes. So I think so it is very good thing to learn and to integrate the stuff like this, so to make things happen into a consolidated environment, rather than using a different portal for achieving different milestones. Today the things are going rapid. We are using the rapid application development platforms, so I think it should be the part of that as well, because there is a huge boost for ChatGPT around in the market. So in case in future we will be focusing on more prospects and powerful stuff that ChatGPT provides us. In case you require any sort of video that you need to learn, in case you want any further explanation, just ask me in the comment section and provide me further details so that I can create a video upon that. I will try to answer that as well as possible. Till then, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and press your likes and provide me with your feedback as well. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.